So I've been testing mini PCs for the past month, and I've got to tell you the power you can get in something the size of a coffee mug in 2025 is absolutely insane. I'm talking about machines that can edit 4K video, run AAA games, and handle heavy workloads while being smaller than most textbooks. So if you've been thinking about downsizing your setup or building a compact powerhouse, stick around because these 5 mini PCs are going to blow your mind. And if you see one you love, I've dropped updated links with the best pricing in the description below. Starting off at number 5, we have the Geekom Mini IT13. And this little powerhouse is priced around $599 to $899 depending on your configuration. Geekom offers compact mini PCs starting from $199, but the IT13 is their premium productivity machine. What makes this thing special is the 13th Gen Intel i9-13900HK processor packed into a chassis that's literally smaller than a sandwich. We're talking about a chip that can boost up to 5.4 GHz in something you can hold in one hand. The build quality on this thing is seriously impressive. It feels solid, the cooling is whisper quiet even under load, and the port selection is fantastic. You've got USB 4, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI, and even an SD card reader. In testing with 32 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD, it even handled external GPU setups via USB 4 with an RTX 4090. The performance is perfect for productivity tasks, light content creation, and even some casual gaming. You can run multiple 4K displays without any issues. The only downside is that it's not really built for heavy gaming or intensive GPU work since it relies on Intel's integrated graphics. But for office work, coding, web development, or running a home media server, the IT13 punches way above its weight class. At this price point, you're getting desktop-level performance in a form factor that you could literally put in your backpack and take anywhere. At number 4, we have the Minisforum AtomMan G7 PT. And this beast will run you around $999 to $1,299. Minisforum launched the G7 PT with a $999 price tag, making it their fastest gaming mini PC to date. Now calling this a mini PC is almost unfair because the performance is absolutely ridiculous. It packs an AMD Ryzen 9 7945HX chip with 16 cores and 32 threads, plus an AMD Radeon RX 7600MXT GPU with 32 GB DDR5 memory expandable to 96 GB. What really sets this apart is that discrete graphics card. We're not talking about integrated graphics here. This has a full desktop-class GPU that can actually handle modern games at 1440p. The cooling system is engineered perfectly too, with multiple fans and heat pipes keeping everything running cool and quiet. You also get a 1 TB PCIe 5.0 SSD with room for expansion, so storage performance is lightning fast. This is basically a gaming laptop without the screen, keyboard, and battery, but with better cooling and more upgrade options. If you're a content creator doing video editing or 3D rendering, or if you want to game at high settings without a massive tower taking up your desk space, the G7 PT delivers performance that rivals full-size gaming desktops. Yes, it's pricier than other mini PCs, but you're getting legitimate gaming performance in a compact form factor that's still way smaller than any traditional gaming rig. Coming in at number 3 is the MSI Cubi NUC AI Plus 2 MG. And this is where things get really interesting from an AI and business perspective. The Core Ultra 7 variant starts at $899, with the Core Ultra 9 version commanding an additional $100. So you're looking at $899 to $999 for this compact powerhouse. What makes this special isn't just the size. It's the built-in AI capabilities that are actually useful in real-world scenarios. This is a Copilot Plus PC that delivers built-in AI for smarter productivity and multitasking, powered by NPU technology. We're talking about AI features that can help with document creation, image processing, and even real-time language translation, all processed locally on the device for privacy. The Intel Lunar Lake processors have dedicated neural processing units that handle AI tasks without impacting your main CPU performance. Plus, you get features like fingerprint security and dual 2.5G Ethernet ports for serious business networking. The build quality screams premium business machine. It's designed for corporate environments where reliability and security matter. MSI has managed to pack impressive power into a case of less than 1 liter, making it perfect for space-constrained offices or as a discrete workstation. If you're running a business that's looking to integrate AI into workflows, or you're in IT managing multiple workstations, the AI plus 2 megabytes offers capabilities that traditional mini PCs simply can't match. It's not just about raw performance, it's about smart performance. At number 2, we have the Mac Mini with the M4 chip, and honestly, this thing continues to be one of the best values in computing. Starting at $599 for the base model, you can configure it up to around $1,599 with maxed out specs. Apple's M4 chip is seriously impressive. We're talking about performance that rivals much more expensive desktop computers, with power efficiency that's basically unmatched in this category. The M4 delivers incredible performance for creative work, video editing in Final Cut Pro, photo processing in Lightroom, and music production. It all just flies on this machine. And unlike Intel-based mini PCs, this thing runs completely silent under normal loads because the M4 is so power efficient. You get Thunderbolt 4 ports and great Wi-Fi 6E connectivity. And if you're already in the Apple ecosystem with an iPhone or iPad, the integration is seamless with features like AirDrop and continuity. The biggest strength is also its biggest limitation. This is Mac OS. So if you need Windows-specific software or want to game, you're out of luck. But for creative professionals, developers working on iOS apps, or anyone who prefers Mac OS, the performance per dollar is outstanding. The build quality is typical Apple, premium materials and excellent fit and finish, and it'll probably last you years longer than most other mini PCs. If you can work within the Mac OS ecosystem, the M4 Mac Mini delivers flagship performance in an incredibly compact and energy-efficient package. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Minisforum UM790 Pro. And this is hands down the best overall mini PC you can buy in 2025. Priced around $699 to $899 depending on configuration, this machine hits the perfect sweet spot of performance, features, and value. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor that boosts up to 5.2 GHz, paired with AMD Radeon 780M integrated graphics, and comes with options for 32 GB or even 64 GB of DDR5 RAM. What makes this the winner is the incredible versatility. The Ryzen 9 7940HS is a beast for productivity work. We're talking 8 cores and 16 threads that can handle anything from video editing to software development. The Radeon 780M graphics are surprisingly capable too, handling esports titles and lighter games at 1080p without breaking a sweat. You get fantastic connectivity with 4 USB 3.2 ports, 2 USB 4 ports, dual HDMI 2.1 outputs, Wi-Fi 6E, and 2.5G Ethernet. That means you can run multiple 4K displays and have plenty of ports for all your peripherals. PC Gamer described it as compact, surprisingly powerful, and never breaks a sweat. And that pretty much sums it up perfectly. The cooling is excellent, it runs quietly, and the build quality feels premium. Whether you're using it as a compact workstation, a media center, a home server, or even for light gaming, the UM790 Pro just handles everything you throw at it. For most people looking for a mini PC that can truly replace a traditional desktop, this is the one to get. It's got the performance, the ports, and the reliability, and the price is right in that sweet spot where you're getting flagship features without paying flagship prices.